Well, it's a chilly night, of course, southern New England. You don't need me to tell you that. I'm sure you noticed that, with temperatures barely scraping out the low 50s for highs. Live from our Speedcraft Auto Group, Jamestown, People's Credit Union Skycam. The ocean's not too churned up quite yet. I don't think we're going to see huge wave action here in the Jamestown area, but there will be some bigger waves offshore, like 7 to 12 feet across Rhode Island and Block Island Sound tomorrow afternoon, tomorrow evening. So real nasty, angry ocean, certainly tomorrow. 70 the average high. Most of us in that 50 to 55 degree range. Newport with the high of 55. But 93 today's record high, 1996. 51 the average low. So the morning temperature wasn't all that out of whack. It was certainly the high temperature. Tomorrow, however, I'm targeting highs. They're going to be in the ballpark of 48 to 50 degrees, basically what our temperature is right now. These are the current readings, upper 40s everywhere in southern New England. And the next 12 hours, the temperature doesn't change. Clouds stay with us. There could be a few spotty light showers. Some of you getting a little bit of mist, maybe a quick hitting light shower now, but the steadier rain's rolling in by tomorrow morning. And here's how Thursday's 12-hour forecast looks. Again, about 48 to 50 degrees for the high, with increasing rain intensity through the morning and increasing northeast wind as well. We'll start with the coastal flood advisory. Eastern Massachusetts, the Cape, portions of southeastern Mass and southern Rhode Island impacted a bit by the high tide, or maybe the potential for a little bit of minor splashover. But primarily the biggest issues will be here across Plymouth County, and then secondarily maybe toward the eastern half of the Vineyard and northern Nantucket, the outer Cape, right? So that's that northeast east wind. Southern Newport area, south Narragansett, our south coast, Block Island's eastern side, you could have some minor splashover around high tide tomorrow as well. And that's between 4 and 5 p.m. is the high tide cycle tomorrow afternoon and early evening. So that's the main concern for some coastal impacts. It's later in the day. 1.5 inches to 3 inches of rain potentially, but take a look at this particular forecast model. It does show what some of the other high resolution guidance is indicating, pockets of maybe 3 inches or more. Not totally out of the question. Just can't say with exact certainty it'll be focused in southern Rhode Island versus parts of southeastern Mass, but we all have that potential for some locally higher amounts around mid-afternoon into the early evening. So again, that's the same time when these strong wind gusts are going to be kicking in, 40 to 50 miles an hour for the outer Cape and the islands, as well as extreme southern Rhode Island, 30 to 40 miles an hour farther inland. But normally not a big deal with that type of wind, but wet leaves, all the trees have leaves on them now, so a 40-mile-an-hour wind gust could certainly cause some pockets of damage in some areas. Worst of the weather again from mid-morning, say 9 a.m. through the evening commute. Showers lifting to our north. Still some lingering moisture maybe early Friday morning, but it does look like by the time we get into later Friday, some of that drier air is beginning to wrap down from the north. I do think there's a slight chance here early Saturday morning for some lingering early morning rain showers, followed by generally drier weather, just mainly cloudy, but drier weather for later Saturday afternoon. And then as we get into Sunday and Memorial Day, the weather starts to dry out just a bit more. Here's that 10-day forecast. Again, it's baby steps, but we go from the coolest temperatures and the wettest weather tomorrow into the upper 50s Friday, 60 to 65 over the Saturday and Sunday, and then Memorial Day, high of 71 with some sunshine. That is the latest look at your forecast.